What's up, guys? Look at 2 times here. Today we have cavatellis with some stew. I'm excited for this one. I was 9 when I started reviewing food. This pastrami is a beast. I love all my fans. They're very generous. They watch my videos. They put support. You know, they help me. You get that paprika. That's like 1,000 thumbs up. My own. My favorite food to eat is laganichichi. Laganichichi, made by my grandmother, homemade. Nonna, the pressure's on you. My favorite part about being a food critic is trying new foods and hanging out with my friends while doing it. Mom is an amazing cook, not as good as my grandma, obviously. It is absolutely amazing. I'm perfection. Bella mama. 100 thumbs up. Ciao, Rach. Look 2 times, out.
He's awesome, right? I was just telling Luca, he reminds me of my friend Dame Drops, who you guys see on our show all the time. So how did you get into this? Like, how did you start, like, come up with the idea, hey, I'm gonna post food reviews?
Well, really, I love food like my whole life, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Well, I just started, I thought that I had like some good potential, and I just really started making videos.
You just felt comfortable doing it.
And everybody loved them, you know?
Yeah.
And I just keep on going and going. I really have to give a shout out to New York Nico too.
Yeah.
He's the really one that found my potential, you know, my talent.
Nice.
It really...
Did you visit the trucks downstairs? Yeah. You get up the trucks downstairs. What did you think of my chicken tenders?
They're amazing. I have to give it. Everybody give a shimmy for it.
So, I don't have a favorite food because as a cook, your favorite food is whatever you're making for that person. You know, you're trying to make people happy. Do you have a favorite food to eat, though?
Yes.
What is it?
It's called laganichichi, which is basically like an Italian dish. It's like fettuccine, you know that pasta?
Yeah.
With beans and a paprika paste.
Nice.
It's so good. You need to try it.
Where do you get it? You got to write it down for me so I could check it out.
I'll show you. My mom knows it.
All right.
If you come to my house in Italy, my God, my grandma will make it. She loves it.
Where's your family from in Italy?
Salerno, Tajano.
Nice.
It's like a little town, you know, like 9,000 people. It's really great.
We come from an even smaller town in Sicily. Jayla, pound it out, man. You're awesome. Hanging with Luca.